The Vergo AS7B convertible hand truck assembly. First, gather all the included components. Then, gather all the tools required for assembly. Start by sliding the nose plate and the two shims into the base of the frame assembly. Line up the holes on the shims, nose plate, and the frame assembly. Fasten one of the axle brackets using the 13mm bolts. Insert the axle into brackets and fasten using the other 13mm bolts. Place on the 13mm nuts and fully tighten. Place two washers on the inside. Then add the wheel and washer on the outside. Insert the cotter pin into the hole. Then bend both ends away from the center. Place the handle onto the frame and secure using the 10mm bolts. After installing the handle, tighten the 10mm bolts. To change into platform cart mode, simply push down on the lever and drop the frame down. To convert back to hand truck mode, just lift the frame up. Swing the casters forward until they lock. Move anything like a pro with Vergo.